On the hot summer Sunday of August 7th, 2022, I had nothing to do. So when I got wind of a northbound train passing through Austin, I went out to see it. After a half-hour wait in the near 100-degree weather, up came what I believe to be train MLDPP. In the lead was a GE AC45 CCTE with two GE AC4460 CWs trailing. UP's AC4460 CWs, also referred to as C44 ACMs, were originally built as GE AC6000 CWs. They were a frequent sight on heavy rock trains in central Texas. The units proved to be relatively unreliable and were downgraded from 6,000 to 4,400 horsepower, as well as given their new designation. Right about now, I got the bright idea to chase this train north to Round Rock. As you may be able to tell by the rather rough video, I didn't make it with much time to spare. This was due to a combination of traffic and me underestimating the train's speed. Well, thank you for watching this rather messy video. I do hope you enjoyed it nonetheless.